What if you disappeared for 6 months? No announcements, no explanations, no posting your plans, just silence. And then one day, you come back different, stronger, more confident, unrecognizable. Not because you got lucky, but because you finally stopped distracting yourself and started building yourself. Most people never do this. That's why most people never change. Section 1. The problem: constant noise. We live in a world full of noise. Notifications, messages, endless scrolling. Everyone is watching everyone. Everyone is comparing. Everyone is talking. But very few people are actually improving, because improvement requires isolation. Not forever, but long enough to rebuild yourself. You can't become a new person while living the exact same daily habits. You can't change your life while staying in the same mental environment that's keeping you stuck. Sometimes you need to step away, not to escape life, but to rebuild it. Section 2. Why most people stay the same. Most people don't change because they stay visible. They announce their goals. They talk about their plans. They look for validation. But attention is addictive. It makes you feel productive without actually doing the work. And slowly, you become trapped in your current identity. You become the person everyone expects you to be, not the person you're capable of becoming. But when you disappear, something powerful happens. You remove the pressure to perform and replace it with the freedom to transform. Section 3. The power of disappearing. Disappearing doesn't mean you quit your job. It doesn't mean you abandon your responsibilities. It means you stop wasting energy on things that don't move your life forward. You stop scrolling for hours. You stop seeking constant approval. You stop explaining your goals to people who don't understand them. And you redirect that energy inward, toward discipline, toward growth, toward building the version of yourself you've been avoiding. Because the truth is, you don't need more time. You need more focus. And focus requires separation from distractions. Section 4. What happens during the 6 months? The first few weeks will feel uncomfortable. You'll feel bored, restless, even lonely, because you're breaking patterns your brain is used to. But slowly, things start to change. You start thinking clearer. You start acting with intention. You start respecting yourself more. Your habits improve. Your confidence grows, not because someone gave it to you, but because you earned it. Every day you show up, you prove something to yourself, that you are capable, that you are disciplined, that you are changing, and that belief changes everything. Section 5. The transformation nobody sees. The most powerful transformations are invisible at first. Nobody sees you waking up early. Nobody sees you working when you don't feel like it. Nobody sees the days you wanted to quit but didn't. But those are the moments that build you. Those are the moments that separate you from who you were. You are no longer controlled by comfort. You are controlled by purpose. And over time, your identity shifts. You don't need motivation anymore, because discipline becomes your default. And one day, you reappear. Not louder, not arrogant, just different. People notice. They see it in your energy, your posture, your confidence. They wonder what changed, but they didn't see the silent months. They didn't see the work. They only see the result. And that's the power of disappearing. You don't tell people you changed, you show them. Call to action. You don't need permission to start. You don't need validation. You just need a decision. Starting today, reduce the noise. Focus on yourself. Build yourself, even if nobody notices, especially if nobody notices. Disappear for 6 months and shock everyone, including yourself.